A strong heat wave is coming, bringing high temperatures that put pressure on plants in greenhouses and gardens. Tomatoes are sensitive at this stage because heat slows down their ripening. To prevent forced ripening, which ruins the flavor of the fruit, we must act quickly. Water the plants in the morning, and after sunset, enrich the soil with a mild, natural mix to help them handle the upcoming dry period. We begin preparing this homemade mix with a base of 300 milliliters of water. First, we pour in 100 milliliters of low-fat milk, which supports beneficial microorganisms in the soil and provides necessary calcium for the fruit. Calcium is essential for tomatoes because it prevents blossom end rot, a common disease where the bottom of the fruit turns black. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of wood ash. Ash contains natural potassium, which helps the stem transfer and retain water during dry days. This extra potassium also improves the size, sugar content, and overall flavor of the ripening tomatoes. Finally, we add 100 milliliters of homemade banana peel tea to the mixture, which is a good source of minerals and vitamins that strengthen the vegetables. The phosphorus and magnesium from the bananas stimulate healthy root activity, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more efficiently during a heat crisis. After mixing everything well, let it sit for a short time so the ingredients combine. Then, dilute it with another liter of water. Remember to apply this mix only in the evening and onto already moist soil, as applying it to dry ground under the hot sun can shock the roots. Pour 1 cup of this mixture around the base of each plant that has started forming and ripening its first fruits. This will help your tomatoes pass through the hot period safely without using harsh chemicals. Let us know where you are watching from. Greetings, until the next video.